Karpagam Academy of Higher Education. It was established under Section 3 of UGC Act 1956, which is approved by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. It is also being accredited by NAC with A+ grade during the second cycle. Now we have launched many Center of Excellence under Life Science and Non-Life Science streams. Under Life Science stream, we'll have first look on the drug testing laboratory. Here we have infrared spectroscopy, which key features being KBR sealed optics, portable and diamond plated ATR. Next we have the Waters LC coupled single squad MS. This mission helps to couple the water with the Alliance existing mission and enhance specification. Next we have the Hitachi HPLC and UV spectroscopy. It is an isocritic mission with a detection limit up to NG levels, followed by cryocube deep freeze. These are used for storage of plasma, blood, serum and many samples. Also we have dissolution apparatus and disintegration apparatus, followed by milli-Q water system. It is a fully integrated water system which helps in purification of quality type 1 water of up to 0.2 micron and type 2 water from tap water. Welcome to Cancer Research Facility. It is a molecular biological lab where we can host real-time thermocycler and biored chemical talk. Then we move on to ELISA reader, which is 4-in-1, which can be used for measuring absorbance, fluorescence, phosphorescence and luminescence. Also we have got cell culture facility which helps in extraction of nucleic acid, followed by biored fluorescent equipment which is used for analysis of differently regulated proteins in fluorescent strain. Also we have got primary cell line handling unit which helps in maintenance of cell purchase from NCCS Pune. We have got deep freezer for storage of these sample in these cancer research facility. Followed by cancer house, we have got animal house. This facility helps to maintain rats and mice. Here we have got quarantine room, the room where host experimental rats are being maintained with air conditioned with 12-hour light and 12-hour darkness. Also we have got a mice room where we have individual ventilated caging system for the mice maintenance which helps in immunocompromised mice for tumor development. We'll have a look on the Center of Excellence for Central Instrumentation Facility. Here we have got UV spectrophotometer which helps to analyze sample ranging from 190 to 1100 nanometer. It's used in three levels such as photometric, kinetic and spectrum analysis. Followed by that we have got gas chromatography which is used to separate chemical components from a mixture which helps in detecting the presence, absence and how much to quantify the sample. Followed by we have got atomic absorption spectroscopy which helps in detection of elements like zinc, copper, chromium, etc. Also we have 2DG gel electrophoresis which helps in separation and fractionation of complex protein mixture, followed by ultra high performance liquid chromatography which is used to separate different constituents from a compound. And lastly we have got master cycler which helps in performance of chain reaction, and also biophotometer which helps in the detection of DNA and RNA from the given samples. We have the Center for API. API means active pharmaceutical ingredient. Here we have got pilot API manufacturing laboratory which actually helps in pilot plant and scale of techniques which are both integral and critical component in drug discovery and development process. This center focuses on process development and synthesis of active pharmaceutical ingredients. Here we have got a 20-liter pilot chemical reactor which helps to optimize and synthesis API in large scale. We'll have a look on the fermentation lab. Here we have specialized vessels used for the microbiological field where we cultivate and grow microorganisms. They provide controlled environment for fermentation process which is very crucial for various applications like production of pharmaceutical products, food and beverages. The key components of the typical fermenter are vessel shelf, detector, sampling pores and monitoring instruments. These components work together and create an optimal temperature for microbial growth and product functioning. With respect to pharmaceutical industry, this helps to produce antibiotics and other vaccines. In food industry, it helps in making yogurt and enzymes. With respect to Department of Food Technology, we have got various instruments like muffle furnace which is used for high temperature applications like ashing, heat treatment and sample preparation in controlled environments. Followed by we have got gel dal apparatus, which is used for continuous extraction of compounds from solid samples using a solvent commonly employed in chemistry and analytical labs. Also we have microwave oven, which is used for cooking, reheating, defrosting food quickly in household and commercial kitchens. Also followed by microwave oven, we have got hot air oven, which is used for sterilizing equipment and materials by subjecting them to high temperature and often used in laboratories and research. Lastly, we have got particle size and zeta potential analyzer, which is used to measure and analyze the size and surface charge of particles and colloids in various liquids commonly employed in material science and pharmaceuticals. With respect to Department of Biomedical Engineering, we have got a Center for Biophotonics and Technology. Here we have a portable Raman spectrometer, which was assembled and integrated with the software for Raman wave number analysis. This equipment was developed using the Department of Science and Technology funding. This equipment helps in detection of biochemical changes in biological samples at molecular level, making it an effective and analytical technique for disease diagnosis. With respect to non-life sciences, we'll first have a look on the Battery Research Center. It is known as the Advanced Battery Research Center. Its main purpose is to compare the various battery chemistries and products available in the market, tested under Indian conditions, and information will be provided to the consumers on battery performance. The various equipments available for the research work are battery multiple parameter tester, cold chamber, temperature bath, paste mixer, ultrasonic humidifier, hot air oven, battery internal resistance tester, data logger, pH meter and connectivity meter. They also provide consultancy services to many industries like HHNV Advanced Materials, Eastman Auto and Power Limited, etc. Under the Center of Material Chemistry, the various equipments available are Fluoromax Plus Fluorescence Spectrophotometer, which was imported from USA, which is used to calculate the fluorescence nature of synthesized material. Followed by a simultaneous thermal analyzer, which was purchased from Germany, which is used to measure the thermal gravimetric analysis and differential thermal analysis of the material. Then we have got differential scanning calorimeter, which is also purchased from Germany, which is a thermal analyzer used to measure how a material's heat capacity is changed by varying temperature. Followed by that, we have got Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer, UV visible spectrophotometer, which works on absorption spectroscopy method. Lastly, we have got electrochemical workstation, which is used to analyze the electrochemical property of materials. It is used to study the electrochemical sensors, supercapacitor, electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, corrosion, etc. In this center, we have got minor equipments like hot air oven, rotary evaporator, muffle furnace, annular type, hyper photocatalytic reactor and vacuum oven. A Center for Material Science. First, we'll have the look on the planetary ball mill. Planetary ball mill is used to prepare nanomaterial by physical method of ball mill method, where the final size of the particle of the prepared sample will be around 100 nanometer. Then we have the hot corrosion furnace. It is an accelerated form of oxidation at high temperature in presence of molten salts. It results in formation of porous, non-productive oxide scale, which allows aggressive species to penetrate into the base metal and causes accelerated degradation of minerals. Next, we have got the oxidation furnace. It consists of quartz tube in which wafers are placed in a carrier made up of quartz glass. Next, we have got hot press. Hot press equipment is used to fabricate hard and brittle materials. It is mainly used for consultation of diamond metal, composite cutting tools and technical ceramics. Followed by that, we have got vacuum furnace. It's a type of furnace in which the product in the furnace is surrounded by a vacuum during processing, and it helps to carry out the process such as brazing, sintering, heat treatment, etc. And the next, we have got the corrosion engineering labs, where they test both ferrous and non-ferrous metals like aluminium, copper, nickel and zinc based alloys. Followed by, we have got metallography labs, where we have got qualified metallurgists who are well trained in metallographic preparation and examination to evaluate characteristics of metals in any form, weld examination, case depth, decarbonization, micro hardness, coating, plating, etc. Then we have got an electrochemical workstation, This workstation helps on a controlled software with one end and electrochemical setup on the another end. Followed by that, we have got universal testing machine. This machine is used for testing compressive strength of materials. They are named so far as they perform many standard tensile compression tests on materials. Finally, we have got the squeeze casting furnace. In here, what they do is that they apply both fibers and particles, reinforced composites on prefabricated fiber or particle, and they perform the infiltrated and solidified under pressure. This helps in producing aluminium front streaking circles, frames and notes. Finally, we have got 3D labs. It's all known as rapid prototyping lab. The first one is SD5box LCD printer, the second is Ender 3D printer, and then the Creativity CR105S5 3D printer, and finally we have got HiSmart FDM 3D printers. These Center of Excellence provide students with various opportunities to learn, experiment, which plays a crucial role in the ongoing intellectual development of students at any academic level. These Center of Excellence provide students the time, the space and resource to experiment and explore the world. Thank you.